Jesus. Only 65 years old. Man, they sack 'em young here in the UK. Who would have thought that they would have put John Weinman down like this? You know, he's a lion in the field, a lion. Well, he was a lion. You know, you kind of see why they bury him like this. Oh, man. You know, if he just moved to the United States, things would be very different. He'd have a job right now. Maybe even health care. Guns. He would have had guns, lots of guns. I could tell he liked guns. Oh, man. What a shame. I know I'm going to miss him. I know all the health psychologists in the United States are going to miss him as well. Well, here's looking at you, Guy. Here's looking at you. Okay, so who gets his office? I understand Trudy. I understand you're getting a raise. Rob, way to go. You're going to get those Armani suits. Simon, you're going to get a sense of humor. Well, let's go to the pub and celebrate. See you, Guy.